On a positive note, babies like 3-day Rose are benefiting from donations to Kenya's fast-free human breast milk bank. Maya Womersley with that report.
At just 3 days old, Rose is a hungry baby. But feeding this appetite has not been without its complications. Rose was born at a Nairobi hospital a month and a half early, healthy but underweight. Because she was premature, Rose's mother, Sarah Wanjiku, couldn't produce the milk to feed her. Step in Kenya's first free human breast milk bank.
I
was told that they had donor milk that is donated by other mothers, and I found it best to use that milk for the baby because she was very hungry and had not eaten for 3 days. They reassured me by telling me that it was properly tested and screened.
Save the Children estimates that around 200,000 Kenyan infants are born prematurely each year. Studies have shown breast milk helps premature and sick babies recover. The highly sterilised milk bank was set up in March by the Ministry of Health and the African Population and Health Research Centre, and depends on donors like Evelyn Wawira. She recently gave birth to her son, Tarek, and says she's producing more than enough milk to feed him.
They're just babies. It's not their fault. They don't have enough milk, or the mom is not there, or the mom doesn't have enough milk. As long as the baby can have it and it will save its life, why not? Just need to be kind about it.
It's hoped that the milk bank can be duplicated in other parts of Kenya. But for now, Sarah's just thankful to the women who helped her baby's start in life.
All right, interesting story right there on the free breast milk bank.